How to speed up Windows 10 laptop. Below are some tips that help speed up Windows 10 laptop. 1. Disable unused/undesired startup programs. 2. Remove bloatware via the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. More, follow https://goo.gl/lbbobw. To uninstall Windows 10's built-in apps. 3. Check if your laptop is running under the power saving mode, https://goo.gl/pp34se. If so, keep your device on high performance. 4. Perform disk cleanup regularly. 5. Perform disk cleanup regularly. 5. Scan your system for potential viruses via the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Find transparency effects and turn them off. For Windows 10 users, go to Settings Personalization Colors. For Windows 8.1/8.7 users, select Adjust for best performance under Performance in Advanced Settings. Refer to the below image. 7. Consider changing or upgrading current hardware such as getting more RAM. 8. Restart your PC when you run into slow system performance issue. 9. Clean Windows 10 installation, https://goo.gl/o to tgm.